This video is sponsored by Caravan magazine. Enjoy the timeless appeal of Caravan and get the latest reviews, travel guides and inspiring stories from across the caravanning world. Lusso equals luxury. It's the Italian word that has entered caravan parlance to mean, as Coachman says, the ultimate in touring elegance. First, there was one Lusso, as Coachman tested the water of ultimate caravanning luxury. Then another, and now this one, the latest Lusso that brings the number in the range to 4. A daring move, one might say, in an economic climate that is not exactly buoyant. I'm Val Chapman. I'm at the Camping and Caravanning Club site, deep in the Cheshire Forest of Delamere. And this is the Lusso IV. Caravan magazine had the honour of being the first to see the new model before Coachman's dealer network even knew of it. The Lusso IV is an 8-foot wide twin-axle package of superlative top-spec touring, with a layout that provides a separate rear bedroom of beautiful boutique luxury. That word luxury crops up again and again as we take you through the latest caravan with a price tag that tops £50,000. Coachman took us into the era of the £50,000 caravan in 2021 with then the highest priced mainstream tourer. The Lusso II is now established as Coachman's best-selling model. Will the Lusso IV rival it for the top spot? We think it has every chance of doing so, and this is why. Top of the list has to be the bedroom, a totally separate room. This is the only Lusso to have this layout. It follows the pattern of a Coachman laser model that has already established its popularity. Then moving forward, you'll find yourself immersed in luxury of a different kind, an indulgent environment designed to make the necessity of showering a luxurious pleasure. And the kitchen? A fabulous amount of surface space, storage to match, and appointed with the sort of design statements that you find in a domestic designer kitchen. Lighting outlines each drawer. The sink cover fits flush with the surface, becoming as one. The splashback is an outstanding take on marble, and the top cabinet is finished in a white gloss effect that actually looks like glass. You'd expect the lounge to be a showpiece of luxury, and it certainly is. Backrests are high and deeply comfortable. The corner of the L shape and the armrests provide superb support. It is, quite simply, a top-class environment. And when it comes to meal times, the footstool seat comes into play so that 4 can dine comfortably. Style points to notice are the acoustic wall panelling and the oval lights set into the corners, and cushions, 6 of them, in a variety of textures, just to make sure that wherever and however you relax here, you are cocooned in luxury. Lusso is, after all, the very definition of caravan luxury. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.